everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you my Walmart Ibotta haul. So they have this new thing called, where basically they give you a hint and then you're supposed to go find it. Well, I guess cheese or something. If you guys have a hard time finding it, definitely follow like Ibotta on Facebook because people will say what it is in the comments. But it was like shredded cheese and there was like a little pumpkin symbol. So basically you open that up and then you got a rebate bonus. So basically it was the Maze one. I needed 20 rebates for $5. It does end tonight, but a new one will probably start tomorrow. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I saw a lot of people saying they don't want to do it because it ends so fast. Well, you know, it's a hit or miss. Some people choose to do it, some people don't. I like to share with you guys as many deals as possible because some of you guys need to do these. So a lot of these are repeaters. A lot of them are new stuff. I also wanted to get a ton of the freebies that they had, like the freebie rebates. My store was sold out of everything. They didn't have any of the Char cookies that are a moneymaker. The Impossible Burger, I was gonna get those for free, sold out. I was gonna get, they have like these Brainiacs yogurt, my store doesn't sell it. The Star Wars, my store doesn't have it. The CeeLo yogurt bars or whatever, my store had the smaller ones but not the bigger ones. So there was that, and then there was a couple other things that my store just did not have. So crazy, but I'm going to share with you guys what I have. A lot of you guys are I know some of you guys don't enjoy this, but for now I'm doing it this way because it's so much faster me uploading a video and getting it to you guys. So I will have a breakdown for you guys in the information below, and then I have the video of the pictures and the coupons at the end of this video. So just want to share with you guys, but I'm going to go pretty fast so I can share with you guys the deals. So a lot of these have reset. The Oreo deal, I think this is my third time doing this. So these were $3.98. You would pay $3.98. You can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get 900 points. Now I didn't have any scans for this, but I got 900 points for submitting my receipt, which is equivalent to $3.60. This comes out to be a 12-cent moneymaker. So I don't know. I like the Oreos, but I like the cookies itself. So that stuff I might be like giving away. I ended up getting these jumbo snacks. I've been eyeing these up for crazy, and I finally figured out where my store has them. They are in the snack aisle, like near the cereal, but it's in a weird spot. But all the boxes had $1 off Kellogg's Peely coupon, so I was gonna take that. I don't like taking Peelies unless I'm going to buy the product, but this doesn't expire for another month. But I ended up getting these jumbo snacks of the Fruit Loops. Now there's different rebates for these, but these were $4.98. We used to have coupons for it, but not anymore. But you guys would pay $4.98 for this. Then you can submit a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.48. There is 12 snacks in here. So, you know, I'm pretty excited to see what they are. I'll probably show you guys what these look like in my vlog that I'm doing. Now I did do the Swanson chicken broth at Walgreens. It's actually a better price right now at Walgreens, but you know what? I didn't want to go to Walgreens just to buy something unless I was there. So the Swanson chicken broth was 80 cents at my store. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $1.60 for both of these. But then you guys can submit $1 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 60 cents or just 30 cents a can, which I'm actually pretty excited to get it. I like the cardboard ones, which I was going to get, but I felt like the canned ones will probably last a little bit longer for me. But I've been really wanting to make soup lately, so I got 2 of those. The other one's in one of these bags somewhere. Okay. So I ended up getting the Chobani yogurt. The Chobanis were $1 a piece. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You would pay $4 for 4 of these. But then you guys can submit a $2.44 rebate off of Ibotta, making it $1.56 or just 39 cents. So if you guys need that. This freebie reset for me. It was available a couple weeks ago and then it came back. But this is the Oreos drink. This was $1.84. You would pay $1.84 for this. But then you get $1.84 back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So in case you guys need to get that. And then my store had this like thing in it, and it said 10 for $1, and it was a bunch of those cups. They also had the bottles. I didn't need any of the bottles, and my son wanted a couple cups to put in the bathtub so he could pour stuff in there. I said, I don't care. He's like, well, can I get some for my sister Charlotte? And I said, yeah. So 10 cents for a cup for the kids to play in the tub. I don't care. And then they had these colanders also for 10 cents, you guys. So it's a 2 set. It's a bowl and a colander set. Great for rinsing, mixing, and serving. I thought this was kind of cool. For 10 cents, I mean, I could always use this to dump stuff in it too. But for 10 cents, so my mom said she wanted one, and then I got another one for the kids to play in the bathtub. So they can like make like, you know, sprinkles in the bathtub. I'm like, I can't go wrong with it. You can't. 10 cents for kids entertainment is the best. I ended up getting the Axe deodorant. Now this was $3.88. I did have a $1 off printable coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. They haven't been available for a while, but you would pay $2.88. But then you get a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.63. So not the greatest deal, but in case you guys want to do that, I always try to print those coupons as many times as possible because you never know when you're going to need them. I know some people always have a hard time printing. I have a Brother printer. I've had it for 3 years. I've only gone through 3 cartridges of ink already, you guys. And I print like, sometimes I print like 20 sheets a day. I've been printing sheets like crazy for my Etsy orders. But yeah, I'm on my third one, and it's going on over 3 years. And I only spend 20 bucks for 3 cartridges. So I do have a video for that. A lot of you guys have asked me about it, but it's in the information below on what I have or what you guys can get. But I absolutely love that printer. It only prints black and white, but I have saved hundreds of dollars not refilling ink, and yeah. Okay, so I ended up getting the, I don't know where the other one is. I ended up getting the Nivea body wash. Now this is a better deal if you guys get both of the men's one, but I wanted to mix and match because I want to get as many rebates as possible. So the Nivea body washes are $4.97 and $3.52. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. As I was taking a picture of the product, I'm like, wait, this coupon expired. And I'm like, wait, no, today's the 22nd. And I'm like, I don't even know what day it is anymore. But you would pay $5.49 for this. You can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them $2.49 or just $1.24 a piece. So I think that's a pretty good deal for that. Now I ended up doing this refresh. Funny story. Last week I woke up in the middle of the night and I checked Ibotta. Okay, Ibotta had these products in the app. I went later that day to get the products and it was gone. Like, it was gone. I don't know what happened, if it was just like a preview for something, and then all of a sudden now it came back. So I don't know if there was some kind of glitch or something, but they're in my app. I've always wanted to try these. These are Refresh. I got the coconut ones. These are $6.98. There's currently no coupons that I know out there for it. But you guys would want to buy 2 of them, and you would pay, what did I forgot to do the math. You guys would pay at like $13, $13.99. It's like $6.98 times 2, so it's yeah, maybe $13.99, $13.98. So you guys would pay that. You can submit a $2 rebate. Now this is only one rebate, so but you guys can do a couple limits. So what, $2 for the one rebate. You would get 750 points. Or you get 500 points for buying the product and then 25 points for scanning it. If you guys buy both of these, you get 750 points additionally. So with Shopkick, you guys would actually get $7.20 back with Shopkick, making the grand total for both of these just $2.76 or $1.38. So from $7 to $1.38, I think that's a great deal. I always, you know, want to get stuff for free, but you know what? If we can get stuff like 75%, 90% off, you know, I know this is not 90% off, but you know, let's take it. Let's take it. So yes, I ended up doing the Dove deodorant. Now again, we have those printable coupons that are no longer available anymore, but the Dove, this one was $5.97 and this was $4.53. I used a $2.50 off a 2 printable coupon that is no longer available on coupons.com. You would pay $8 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $1.75 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get points for scanning and purchasing the product. One of these you get 270 points, which I think is this one for buying it and scanning it, and this one you get 225 points. So both of those you'll get $2.98 back. So the grand total for both of these are just $2.27. So that's basically like $1.14 a piece. One is just the advanced care and the other one is 0% aluminum. So definitely go ahead. Don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, because these are a Unilever product, so you guys can get points for that also. Okay, I did the Dove Men Care. Now this was $5.94. You guys want to use that $2 off printable coupon. I don't think it's available also, but you guys to pay $3.94. You can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.94. Now I've been slacking big time on coupons to print. I don't know what it is. I used to do it all the time, like keep up on it. I need to start keeping up on it. I want to get a microphone. Right now with my new computer, I can actually screenshot my computer, but I want to get a microphone so it's so much easier, and then I can just bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So that's what I plan on doing soon. I got the Degree deodorant. Now these were $4.97 a piece. There was a $1.50 off coupon, I think, for the men's, and a $1.25 coupon for the women's. Now these were printable coupons that were from a couple weeks ago, you guys, that are no longer available, but you would pay $7.19. You get now these are two different rebates with Ibotta, so you get $1.25 for the men's and $1.25 rebate for the women's. But then you guys will get what is it? You get 1,100 points, or you get 50 points, 25 points for each scan in it, and then you get 1,100 points. I think it's like 500 and 600 points, like it's 250, I think, and then you get 600 points when you buy both of them. So basically you guys would get $4.60 back with Shopkick. So the both of these are just 9 cents. 9 cents for the both of these. That is a great deal, you guys. Awesome deal. Hopefully you guys can do those printables also. Now I also did I did the Rimmel deal. Now we got the Rimmel Bronzer. This is $3.97. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon. Thank you, Juan, for sending me those Rimmel coupons. I gladly appreciate it. But you guys want to use that $1 off coupon. You would pay $2.97 for this, but then you can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this a 3-cent moneymaker, absolutely free. I also got the Rimmel eyeliners. These were $3.97. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon. You would pay $2.97, but then you guys can submit a $2.20 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 77 cents. So I think under a buck, I think that's a great deal. And that's eyeliner that I actually used to use like crazy. So my daughter decided to jump on the boxes of the feminine products I got. So they're like completely beat up. Thanks to my daughter. Sorry. So this was $5.97. We do have $2 off coupons. There was some printables for it, but we do have $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $3.97, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and there is a rebate for the gift cards that you guys can do. Now it's a limit 2 per account, so you guys will get $5, but it has to be over, I think it's like $5.60 something is what the price has to be for it. I'm not sure. I will put the link below for you guys to click on it, but you guys will get a $5 gift card just for buying this. So this comes out to be a $3.03 moneymaker. Absolutely free. And then there's also the Playtex Sport. Again, my daughter had fun jumping on the box. These were $6.68. Now there was some for $6.68 and there was some from $6.97. I got the $6.68. You use that $2 off coupon. You would pay $4.68, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys also qualify to get the $5 gift card. Also, like I said, I will put all the information below. So this ends up becoming a $2.32 moneymaker. So pretty excited for those gift cards. I have to submit my receipt on that, but I will definitely be doing that in a bit. I got a couple more items for you guys. Yeah, I ended up getting the chickpeas. A lot of you guys have asked me how this tastes. I'm afraid to taste it. I don't know why. I mean, if you put a lot of cheese on it, I'm assuming it's pretty good. So this is probably the last time I'm getting this because they usually limit it to 5 on Ibotta. So the chickpeas were $2.48. You would pay $2.48. You would submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get 265 points for purchasing the product. I think you get 200 points 200, maybe 250 points for buying it, maybe 15 points for scanning it. It comes out to be $1.06, but the grand total for this would be 67 cents. So guess what, you guys? I didn't go crazy over macaroni and cheese because it's no longer available. I got the Churro cereal. Again, this is a great deal for you guys. So the Churro cereal is $4.98. You would pay $4.98. You can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get 755 points for buying the product. So you get 700 for buying it and 55 for scanning it, I think, or something like that. But it comes out to be, so that comes out to be 302. You guys would get back with Shopkick. The grand total for this is 46 cents. 46 cents for this giant bag of cereal, and I have not tried it yet. But we will. Okay, just a couple more items to share with you guys. I'm going as fast as I can. Vaseline. I wanted to do the Shopkick dual deal, but my store did not have the other ones. So this was $5.84. You guys want to use a $1 off printable coupon that is still available. You would pay $4.84, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get 420 points for buying the product and scanning it. So 420. It comes out to be $1.68. So the grand total for this is $2.16. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you get points for that. I think the chickpea one you do also. Yeah. But not the greatest deal. I mean, I wanted to do that bonus, but you know what? They didn't have it, and I'm kind of excited to try the Almond Smooth. I ended up getting the C4. Now, this has been probably my last time getting this. This is $1.94. You would pay $1.94, but then the app says that you get 50% back. So basically, you guys would get 94 cents back, making the final price for this 94 cents. And then the last deal I have is the Pringles. The Pringles are $1.48. Where did I write that? $1.48. You would pay $1.48, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 48 cents for some Pringles. So pretty good deals. If that. So that was my total, you guys. I kind of went crazy, but I didn't go crazy. I just needed 20 rebates to get that maze. So my total was $88.44. With Ibotta, I got $39.37 back. With Shopkick, I got 5,745 points, which is equivalent to $22.98 with Shopkick, you guys. That's awesome. I got the $5 maze bonus, plus I finished level 3, so I got $2 back with level 3. So my grand total came to $19.09. I got 28 items at just 68 cents a piece. Like I said, my goal is always to get a bunch of, usually my haul from Walmart, I try to get under 20 bucks is usually my goal. So that is what I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.